Okay, what's going on, everybody? This is going to be my first video. I'm going to be using this coconut core to go ahead and start trying to get these seeds to germinate. Already filled little pots there. So, hope everybody's doing well. This is my very first video. I've washed this out and I've poked holes in the bottom to allow for drainage. I was going to be outside today, but it's raining here in Delaware, so inside, trying this out for the first time. I went ahead and I am going to see about making a little compost bin in the next couple days, so hopefully I'll be able to record that. If anybody has any tips or tricks, you can let me know. Starting off with the tomatoes, I'm actually going ahead and I'm planting a few seeds in each of the big pots, and I've been watching some different shows and videos. They've been saying to help your germination and make sure that you get a plant, put a few extra in, and then if everything germinates, just to go ahead and pull the other seedling. So on the larger ones, I'm placing 3 in just to play it safe. The small ones I'm going to place 2. And I will use some of these plants, but a friend at work, I'm going to give a few to, so he doesn't have to worry about buying them. Like I said, if anybody's watching, go ahead and if you have any tips or tricks, please let me know. I'm getting back into gardening for the first time in about 5 years, so eventually we'll be outside and I'll show you the garden. It's kind of old school how my dad showed me, with kind of covering the ground. I'm eventually going to see about getting a mulch and cover the ground that way. So, the tomato. Okay, I was making sure I'm still recording. The picture went out on me. So, I have the tomatoes in. I'm going to go cucumber next. These cucumbers have a little pink dye on the seed. It's just whatever we picked up at the supermarket. It's a slicer cucumber, it's called. I'll start to water them today and keep an eye out, and hopefully within 7 to 9 days we'll have some seedlings. And then lastly, the squash. As I said already, if anybody has any tips or tricks, please share them with me. I will greatly appreciate it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and water them, give a little water to them, and that'll be it for this one. I do have these set up on this little tray so the water can drip straight through onto that. I don't have to worry about cleaning up a big mess. And as I said, for hopefully next year, I'm going to do some more sowing of the seeds directly into the garden. I can hear and see this really sucking up the water. So we got one guy that's poking out a little bit. Okay, well, like I said, anybody that has any tips or tricks for me, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.